Welcome to our Getting Connected video for your onboarding and account setup. In today's video, we're going to show you how to get a textable phone number which will allow you to text back and forth with your leads and customers. So here on this settings and profile page, this is probably what you'll see when you first log into your account and you're getting started. In order to get a local phone number, what we're going to do is navigate to settings and phone numbers here within our settings section. You'll see a list of any numbers you already have. I already have a couple of numbers here, but I'm going to show you how to add a new number now. When you're just getting started, you probably won't have any numbers, so you can go ahead and just start and add one. Click Add Number here, and a pop-up window will appear. You'll select your country and then an area code. I'm using Los Angeles, California in the United States, so I'm going to type in the 310 area code and search. It looks like there's no numbers available with that specific area code, so I'll just need to choose another area code in the region. I'm now going to try 626. And great news, it looks like there's plenty of numbers available, so I can go ahead and take my pick of whatever I'd like. It doesn't really matter too much since we can set up a forwarding number, so I'm just going to choose this first number here and click Save. So now we have a phone number available. This is going to be the number that we'll use to text back and forth with clients. But when someone calls this number, I'll show you how in just a moment. You'll actually be able to forward this call to your actual cell phone and your actual phone number. So this number here doesn't really matter too much. So I'm going to go ahead and select this number since I have more than one to make this my default number. If you only have one number and you just created your first number, by default, that only number will be the default. So now you can see we have this number here. And then we're going to edit the number here using this pencil icon. Here I can name the number if I'd like, such as my cell phone, my office line, my business, whatever I'd like. And then I can add what number I'd like the calls to be forwarded to. Here you're actually going to throw in your actual. Now, what you'll want to do next is enable any of these features that you'd like, and we'll cover that in other articles and tutorials later. But for now, as we're just getting started, we want to make sure we have a number for our actual number to be forwarded to. And then for the call timeout, go ahead and just set that to 25 seconds. And again, we'll get to that later. Now, go ahead and click Update, and this number is now saved.